keep the corporate plane.
Yeah!
Peter, how are you doing that?
I don't know, Lois. I'm scared.
Well, come down.
I can't. I get help. Call somebody.
Who do I call?
I don't know. A police, a fire, a scientist.